Let me show you how you can transform this into something good in less than 30 minutes. You can see this is beautiful, right? Now I will show you what I did. I was buying suya and I saw one aboki with a lot of native basket like this, different design, and decided to go for this. Now I want to show what I achieved with this. I bought this for 5,000 naira. Remember, this is the year 2024. So I bought this for 5,000 naira only and decided to achieve something good with this. Now I went ahead and buy oil paint. Remember, oil paint, yellow, red, and green. I love this color because a lot of Africa flags have these three colors. Yes. Now I want to show you something we can achieve with this. Okay. Now I also bought brush for 700. I saw the paint is 700 and I bought brush for 200. That means I've just spent close to about 8,500 or maximum 9,000 naira to achieve something good. Now this thing I'm about to show you, I'm about to design. I saw the price in one of these malls and the price there is about 22,000. I saw another one 20,000 naira, but we just spent 8,000 naira. Some places you may be seeing this thing being sold for 30,000 naira. Now I started painting. Remember, you have to paint it like 2 or 3 times for the colors to show well. Okay, so this is me painting this, and remember, within 30 to 1 hour you are done. Once your oil paint is ready and you're ready to paint within 30 minutes or 1 hour, then of course it's not much time that you need to spend. So for me, I think being creative, getting some things, you can think about what you can do this, what you can achieve with something. So nothing is waste. I love what I just did with this native basket. A lot of my friends that will be coming to my house was like, wow, I love this. Oh my God, you can see how beautiful this thing looks. Yes, they all want it. They ask me, where did you buy this? I say, I don't know, because the aboki was just passing. It's a hawker. So you can go to the market and you might see it. So you can see what we decided to achieve. This is so beautiful. I love this. Wow. This is nice in combination with you can see the light colors, everything matches. I love what I did achieve with this. Yes. Now, for me, I believe, yes, this is creative. This is an African art. We need to love what Africa have. And a lot of things, if you go to art market, you can see so many beautiful things that we Africans, we have. And this thing, if they decided to sell this thing outside the country, maybe outside the continent of Africa, this thing, you can sell it off to $50 to $100. $50 is about 75,000 to 80,000 naira for this thing you see like this. Yes, a lot of white people did come here to buy this. A lot of people love this. This is what we call pure art. All you need to do is time. When you see anyone in the market, you can buy something and think of about what you can achieve with it. So this is what we are able to achieve. I hope you love it. Please, if you liked it, please kindly comment on the comment section below. And remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video. I don't mind do this because I love this. A lot of people ask me, this is beautiful. I decided to post it on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you.